In Jamaica, the Prime Minister does have some flexibility in determining when to call a general election, but this power is not absolute. While Andrew Holness, as Prime Minister, can recommend to the Governor General to dissolve Parliament and call an election at any time, he is still bound by the constitutional requirement that general elections must be held within 5 years of the last one. The most recent general election in Jamaica was held on September 3, 2020. Under the Jamaican Constitution, a general election is required to be held no later than 5 years after the previous election, which means the next election must occur by September 2025. However, the Prime Minister has the discretion to advise the Governor General to dissolve Parliament and call an election before the constitutional deadline. This means that although the election must occur by September 2025, it could be called earlier, at any time within that 5-year period. The decision is typically influenced by political strategy, public opinion, and other considerations, but the Prime Minister cannot delay the election past the September 2025 deadline without breaching the Constitution. So in short, while Holness has the power to call the election at any point before the 5-year term expires, he cannot delay it until 2026 or beyond. The election must be held by September 2025.